Okay, I'm sorry about that. It's going to have to be a couple more minutes here. I wanted to give you some examples of good reasons and bad reasons to put down or how to write them. So like I said, if you just say, well, I would rather be a city mouse because it's really crowded, that's going to sound like a negative. You need to explain why the crowding is a good thing for a mouse. Okay, why it's really crowded, so, and given it an additional reason why it being crowded is a good thing for you. Okay, it's really crowded, so that means that there's going to be lots of food to find. Okay, if you were to say that, well, I'd rather be a city mouse because there's a lot more litter, again, that's going to sound like a negative thing unless you explain it. I would rather be a city mouse because there's a lot more litter, which means there's going to be a lot more food to find, and can't you use all that litter to help build your nests and things like that to keep you warm and all those kinds of things? You can find lots of treasures, right, to take back to your house, okay? So make sure that you explain why it's a good thing, okay? Like if you go, oh, well, I want to be a country mouse because the houses out there are really plain. Well, you need to explain why that's a good thing. I want to be a country mouse because the houses are usually really plain and I don't like spending time on decorating. Something like that. Explain why that's a good thing. I would rather be a country mouse because there's lots of open space and I can run wherever I want to run. So make sure that you're always connecting it to a mouse's life, okay? And explain. Okay, because I'll tell you, there are sometimes some really weird ones where I go, what do you mean? You'd rather be a country mouse because it's really boring? Well, that doesn't sound right. Why would you rather be bored? So you got to explain why you would rather be bored. If you think you're lazy and you don't like to do a lot of things, you don't like to be busy, you like to relax, well, then maybe that's how you explain it. Okay, so make sure that you're picking reasons that are good for you and make sure that you explain them. That's all I wanted to say. You have the rest of the time to write, okay? I want you to get some good reasons in here. We will be doing an editing, so make sure that you get this done, okay? So 3 reasons why you would rather be that mouse. Make sure to close it off at the end, okay, with a good reason. All right, everybody, that's it. Bye.